Okay, try it a second time. Welcome back. That was the Mighty Popo at the Kigali Up Festival in Rwanda, Kigali City, Rwanda. And the vocalist, and I don't know her. So yeah, I'm back on Restream. No, God, I get them mixed up now. StreamYard is what I'm on now, and Restream was what I was on before. This one's a lot easier to run, but the other one had those graphics I wanted to show. So back here inside on a rainy day. After that screw up, Mickey, I'm joining you. Brandy with a little blackcurrant syrup and some soda water, peach flavored sparkling water. Not bad. Makes the screw up feel better. But the song that he did that was going through my head all day was I'll play that one too because it's just so uplifting. Get up, stand up, throw away that bluesy feeling. Where are you, my friend? Ah, yes, Ottawa Blues Fest 2008. This tune is just gonna make me feel so good. Well, Sundays are not my day. I think I should switch these streams to another day when I'm more together, because that wasn't the song I meant to play. Right guy, wrong tune. Mickey, I don't know where the hell you got to, but I don't blame you. So as I was trying to say earlier, I was cleaning up and I found my favorite characters that I found in a secondhand store somewhere, I think. Riff Raff and Frankenfurter and Columbia. Oh, I want to take her out. Come here, girl. Come hang out with us here. Are you tied in there? Oh. Anyhow, I don't think Mickey's coming back, and I'm just making a mess. So, unless I can figure out something else, let me see. Sit here and play tunes all day, doesn't bother me. But I'm way off my game, and I have absolutely nothing to talk about. Just babbling away. Oh, Zeke, gross. Oh. Oh. Larry Bird singing, oh my God. This is from 1993. Larry the Bird Mutham singing Mystery Train. This guy was all over the music scene. He died, sadly, but I knew him from the places we hung out. I want to hear this. So you're going to hear it too. Mystery Train.
From the valley. That's the cross between Don Messer and Paul Butterfield. You know, it's like you have to play rhythm to play leads off each other. And what that is from, again, from Ottawa. It's a unique sound. I think it's from down east, too. It's a very rural blues sound, you know. It's I call it cow jazz. You know? Coaches on. Train I ride now. Gonna ride that train, baby. Coming on back home. My baby thinks she's a train. Going all that long. My baby thinks she's a train. Going all that long. Gonna ride that train, gonna ride it on home. Mystery train, rolling around that bend. Mystery train, baby, gonna roll around that bend. Big bend. Gonna ride that train now, ride it on to the end. Gonna ride that train.
Welcome back, Mickey. That was the late, great Larry the Bird Mutham. Lost the ability to chat. So you sent me, oh, Well, it's probably because I cut off the stream and started it again. I got tired of that other streaming platform, so I cut off the stream and I went back to, I was using Restream and now I'm in StreamYard. So that's probably why you lost the chat. Sorry. But I decided to join you. Cheers. Oh, I don't know, some arsehole. Probably my first one only. I don't think I've had a thumbs down. I can't remember. Doesn't matter. It all counts to bump up whatever algorithms. Doesn't matter if it's up or down. Oh, yeah. What else did I want to try out while I had somebody here with me? Can you hear me if I have these on? This plugged in? Can you hear me when I have that plugged in? Yeah, I think it's a better program all around. Time for a refill. Cheers. Then come back and help me. I'm making a mess again. No wonder there was a thumbs down. All right on. I don't know why they did that either. I don't do it for the thumbs, man. I do it for the kicks. Yeah, so I'm going to be sending an email to you guys, the mods, regarding some of the things that are going to be changing. Not changing, but growing with $TV. And then I will also send out a crew email to let them know what's going on. But yeah, things are slow due to the summer slump, and people all over the world are in a pandemic and broke and struggling. So, he's struggling too. And we're trying to expand it so he can get a few more viewers and help bump up some of the income or ability for his channel to grow so he can have income from some other ads or something. Excuse me. And he really does want to emigrate from there sooner rather than later. Hopefully to Canada and hopefully to Vancouver where I can meet him. But meanwhile, yeah, we're going to be streaming some other things, and I'll let you guys know about it. Yay! Well, I'm still powering up the sound card that I wanted to try out with somebody here to see if it works with all of these stupid sound effects I don't need. But I wanted to try out the treble and bass and other things with it. So, okay, I'll try it again. When I put my earphones in, can you hear me when I talk? Hi there. 1, 2. Hi there. Anything? I don't want to keep yelling, and my mom said she didn't think the mic No bass. Hiya, Brad. Same sound, no bass. Okay, I appreciate that. Are you a GTV viewer? He's currently streaming on Twitch 24/7 and YouTube for 8 hours from Nicole Wallace on to Brian Williams. If you're a fan of MSNBC, we might be streaming some other networks later, but I'm the moderator for his channel and the communications manager or whatever title you want to give me. Outreach, something like that. So welcome. I just do crazy things on Sunday because I'm crazy. So cheers and welcome. And I'm also high as a kite. Took about 300 milligrams bite of my gummy about an hour and a half ago. So this is me on Sunday. Okay, so that's good to know it didn't cut off the sound. But the sound card is still charging. And then it's got a spot for the dynamic mic here. So I wanted to try it out, plugging the mic in, or the headphones into the sound card. Good for you. Whereabouts are you? I'm in British Columbia, Lower Mainland, just above Seattle. Mickey's on Long Island. You guys want to hear some more tunes? Happy to play music. I've been playing music from my hometown of Ottawa. Well, I grew up in Quebec, but I call Ottawa, Ontario, my hometown. Mostly a lot of blues. North Carolina. Wow. I haven't been down that far south. I've been to Louisiana and I've been to Memphis, Tennessee, but that's about as far south as I've been. Oh, Texas. But that was more El Paso. I call that west. My sister and brother-in-law just moved back here from Seattle about 4 years ago. Yeah, they had been living there for about 20, 25 years. Drop that bass. Okay, let me see what I can find, man. Some grooves from Ottawa. Oh, I know I'd get struck, though, if I played it. I wanted to play Johnny Cash's... Yeah, I can cut it out later. I don't know if you've heard... I only heard it for the first time this week. Johnny Cash doing 9 Inch Nails Hurt. From an old man's point of view. And I dig it. And he's bass, man. You want bass? I didn't mean to bring the mood down that far. The man in black has it, though. Holy shit. Woo! Damn, that was great. So, what do you want to do now? Oh, shit. Brandy and the gummy you're hitting at the same time, boys. I can take it back to Ottawa. Yeah, let's get back there on familiar ground. Oh, where's my Tony D? I want to hear some Tony D. Because he always can put a smile on my face. Doesn't matter what he's playing. I'm going to play Baby Tony. No, I'm not. Monkey Junk, best kept secret. I played that one. Monkey Junk. It's your thing. Okay. Quit fooling around, Laura. Get serious here. He's got so many videos, though, it's hard to choose one. Here's a... Oh, I'm not going to do that to him. 89. Well, yes, I am. Fuck it. I'm going to play him in 89. Baby D. Oh, hang on. It's funny. That's why. And he's that good. That's why.
Afternoon. Tony D and the Wailing Damians are here to play some great music. Not knowing how long it would take to get his new band on track, Tony decided in October to move from Ottawa to Toronto. In that short period of time, the band has become very popular. They have just completed a 6-week national tour and will concentrate on the Toronto region until August. At that time, they'll open for Colin James in Saskatoon. So let's welcome the music of Tony D and the Wailing Damians.
It's your thing. Do what you want to do. Oh, I can't tell you who to suck it to. I said, shake your thing. Shake it. Do what you want to do, girl. Honey, I can't tell you who to suck it to. But if you wanna get funky, if you wanna get down, 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 if you wanna get funky, if you wanna get down, 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 get down, girl. It's your thing. Yeah. Do what you wanna do, girl. But I can't tell you who to suck it to. Yeah. I said, shake your thing. Do what you wanna do. Baby, I can't tell you who to suck it to. But if you wanna get funky, woo, if you wanna get down, 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 you wanna get funky. If you wanna get down, 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 it's your thing. If you wanna get funky, I said it's your thing, yeah, yeah. Get down, 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 it's your thing. If you wanna get funky, I said it's your thing.
Okay. Thanks for indulging me. I'm proud of my homeboy. He done good. Man's famous worldwide. Honest to God. And you're from Toontown, Saskatoon? Cool. No, a fantastic blues singer-songwriter from there too, Susie Vinnick. She's also a partner player with Tony D. And I'll play you some of them if you want. Okay. Bald's beautiful, man. Own it. Hell, I'm rolling on 60. I'd take it all with stride, fuck. I like my hair better now than I did when I... Never mind. Oh, this could be good. Someone's walking past. Oh. You make a mess, monkey junk. Play a little bit more of Tony D. Oh, yeah. Yeah, okay. So the bandana was causing the baldness. Yeah, I think I heard that about wearing cat hats for guys. Yeah, I think that's a thing. Bandana man. Bandana Brad. So this is him recently with his best band to date, Monkey Junk. Tony D and the boys. I think the band guys, my brain is mush. Can't remember the names, but I think they come from the West too. Oh, looks like my premiums went out.
Was on to get shizzy with Janizzy. Yo, Barbara.
This is the single from my record. It's called "You Make a Mess."
Nothing to prove, I'll play it off the cuff. You took my hand and made a mess of me. I'm not your commander, like open sesame. I know when things ain't supposed to do, but I couldn't help myself if I wanted to. You make a mess. You make a mess of me. You make a mess. You make a mess of me. You make a mess. You make a mess of me. Well, I lose control when I feel you moving in. You take my soul and make me pray for sin. I can't be still in your vicinity. Don't stop until we reach infinity. You're gonna break my will. I can't take no more. You're gonna make me spill on your hardwood floor. You make a mess. Oh, you make a mess of me. You make a mess. Oh, you make a mess of me. You make a mess. You make a mess of me. a slave, but I'll surrender willingly. Your love I crave, even if it's killing me. There ain't an inch of me that you have not touched. So come on, make a mess of my sleep. Oh, yeah, you make a mess. You make a mess of me. You make a mess. Oh, you make a mess of me. You make a mess. Ooh, you make a mess of me. You make a mess. You make a mess of me.
Woo! Woohoo!
Thank you very much. We're playing at La Strow on St. Catherine on Thursday.
Hey,
night.
girl.
Come on down if you're having fun.
Ha! Oh, that was a hell of a lot of fun. I was dancing my ass off. Oh. Hang on, I got too many screens going at once. No. You hush. And you hush. Woo! That felt good. So, next. How's your day going, Kath? I started out on one stream and then I had to jump to another streaming platform. So if you came earlier and had to jump over to this one, I'm sorry. That's what happened. I was telling Mickey earlier that some new things are going to be happening with GTV. So I'm sending out a crew member email tomorrow. Lap clap, no thanks. Food. No. When I get my HP hooked up, then I should be able to stream on both platforms at once. So on Sundays, I stream on YouTube, and the rest of the time I stream on Twitch. But once I get my my HP running, I should be able to do simulcasting. I hope so. Good. You're doing good. Okay. Yeah, look back though on the other video I tried earlier because I was using a different platform, and that's where the photographs are of my mom's birthday dinner with the dessert, and my sister and me trying to sing. Whew, I'm sweating. Good, I was freezing earlier. Kathleen, I don't know about you, but I almost put on the heat. It was so cold this morning. Seriously, feels like October. Brad, crazy town. That's what you got yourself into. Okay, go to where the gambling is. See you on Twitch tomorrow. Thanks for stopping by. Brad, yeah. Like I said, we have a thing called Dollar GTV. That's the initials of the guy that streams for us from Turkey. It's amazing. We have to get a guy from overseas in order to get uninterrupted MSNBC online. And I'm in Canada as his moderator. Communications outreach / whatever. You were frozen? Aw. I am on Twitch? Right now? Wait, what are you talking about? No, I'm only streaming on YouTube right now. Oh, on my Twitch. You're going to go over to my channel and gamble on your own? Okay. Oh, Kathleen, I'm so high. And because things were going so strangely, I got myself a drink too, so forgive me. Yeah, you should. Do you have Twitch? If you don't, it's so simple. You can just hop in and we play roulette games for points. And what else? We're going to be getting some new games. She's going to look up some new games now that he's up a notch or a level on the platform so he can add more things to it. So he's going to come up with a few new ones for us. Okay, good. I'm not on Twitch right now. I didn't think so. Just checking. Oh, did you? Right on. I actually decided I don't like them that much. I'm not a big pot smoker, and it's so rare that I do smoke. I prefer a joint, just a nice cone. So I mix the keef in it, or the bong. I don't know. It's just a bit too much. Messy too. Yeah, if you guys want to go ahead and go and gamble, I'm about done here, but I want to play another tune because that was so fun. But maybe I should play some Susie Vinnick for Brad from Saskatoon here. What am I thinking now? I'm insane, really, for sure. I'm a Canadian, and I'm thinking Saskatoon means Toontown, but no, Susie Vinnick is not from Saskatoon. She's from Saskatchewan. And Saskatoon is in Saskatchewan, right? Says the drunk girl. Well, anyway, that's where Susie Vinnick's from. I can't today. I just can't. So I'm going to continue and close out with more of the monkey junk. Time to roll, fittingly. Saskatoon is in the room. And BC, be crazy. Time to roll, y'all. Love ya. Bye.
Wide open spaces seem hard to find. Late nights and city lights got a hold on my mind. It's when I get the feeling to go downtown. When I get that feeling, I gotta burn it down. When I get that feeling, I can't stick around for too long. It's time to roll. Right time to roll. Right time to roll. I got to roll. It's hard to remember, but should easily show. Lessons learned and bridges burned, and I'm still on the go. I woke up late in a strange.
Hey, y'all. I can hang around.
My pockets and a pain in my head.
There's four of you here. Why am I leaving?
I'll wind up dead. Oh, so I'm told.
Okay, where's my
It's
cat?
time to roll. Hot time to roll. Hot time to roll. I got to go. It's out now. I got a pony over. Wind in my back and a chip on my shoulder. It don't matter where. It don't matter when. Stars come out and I'll be rolling again. Maybe someday I will settle down, but for now I don't know how. So I hit the town. When I get that feeling to go downtown. When I get that feeling, I got to burn it down. When I get that feeling, I can't stick around for too long. When it's time to roll. time to roll. I got to roll, roll, roll,
Dear me. Oh, I was just saying, I was just having so much fun, and I'd just be playing more tunes here by myself anyway. So since there's 4 of you here, why not stick around, right? Yeah, that was my improvised cowbell. Yeah. Oh, I thought Kath was luring you over to gamble, Mickey. That's all. But I can hang out. The hell have I got going on? See what else pops up here on my suggested videos. How to stop rolling. No, thanks. In the right place. The right place. Ah. Yeah, okay, good. No, I just didn't turn my mic back on. Ottawa Blues. Oh, Buddy Guy with Sue Foley. This girl, I met her when she was about 17, and she was learning her chops with a couple of friends of mine on blues guitar. And she's you're okay, you're gambling. Okay, you popped out the window. Cool. Yeah, she's hot stuff. Also world renowned. She plays with Jimmy Vaughn, Stevie Ray's brother, and she's big in Europe and won many Canadian awards, and I don't know what other awards, but yeah. This is her in 2019 Ottawa Blues Fest with the one and only Buddy Guy. You're all gambling when we speak. Yeah, these days especially. I don't think I've seen this one either.
was on the show before I came out here. And she might, I don't know if she like this or not, but I'm gonna try to get her back out here. Is she still here?
Crap.